Hey, it's Kyle with Dark Iron Diesel, and today I'm going to show you how to install Flo-Pro delete pipes on a 2011 6.7 Powerstroke. So here's the Flo-Pro kit. It's part number 857NB, and there you got the rear pipe, and then the short front pipe there that bolts up to the down pipe. And here's the truck we're doing it on. This one's a 2011 F250, but they're pretty much all the same, any 6.7 from 2011 to 2015, I believe. So here's your DPF filter. First thing you want to do is unplug all the sensors and any other electrical on it. I'm gonna go ahead and do that and then show you what it looks like with this out of the way. Also, you're gonna unbolt it from the down pipe here. Now, this back bolt is welded, so don't try to undo it there because you're not going to win. Undo it from the front one. It's a 13 millimeter. That one's easy to get at. That one I usually use swivel and a couple extensions, and you can get it out not bad. And then down at the back here, you have a 3-bolt flange. I believe that's 15 millimeter. Sometimes it helps to put some anti-seize or some penetrating fluid on it. Maybe use a little bit of heat because they tend to break. If they do break, it's not that big of a deal. I usually heat it up with a torch and use an air hammer just to punch this stud out here, and then I replace it with a grade 8 bolt. Anyways, I'm gonna undo all the sensors and get this filter out of here, and then I'll show you what it looks like. All right, so I got the DPF filter out. So here are all the sensors. You got one back here and then a plug. With this plug, this red thing will be forward. You slide it back and then you can press on it. It'll come out. Here's another one. Another one of these guys. And you got two here. This one's just a simple electrical plug. This one, you have to press both sides of it and pop it off. So it'll be a kind of plastic hose deal thing. Then another one here. So I believe that's 8 in total. And show you where they are under the truck. Okay, so this is the one back here. So a lot of these will be kind of clipped into the side. You need to use an upholstery tool or something to pop them out. Here's that one. This guy too, I believe it's there. Here's those 3 I was talking about. This is that one there where, if you can see, you push that in, and same with the other side. Push those 2 tabs in together and you should be able to pop it off. Kind of got to peel this heat wrap away from it. This one up there, a little bit fun to get at, but yeah, if you pop them off and get them free, they're a lot easier to get out. And so here's my back flange. I was able to save all the nuts and this old gasket, so I did have to spray some lube on those hangers and pop this back section just back a couple inches so I could get the filter out. And then the front, that's what it looks like there. So the new exhaust will just bolt up right there. There'll be one clamp in the middle, and then it'll bolt to the 3-bolt flange at the back there. I always zip tie these up and out of the way at this point when I have the most room. So just gonna zip tie these all up, and then I'll throw the pipes in and show you what it looks like. Okay, so I got the delete pipes installed. So really simple setup on these 6.7s. So, well, you want to start with the front here. So you put this front piece on. Just put the bolts in loose when you do it. Make sure the angle is nice. You're not touching anything there. Let it hang, and then you put in this second pipe. And it just hangs in the one hanger right there. And then I bolt it up here first, and then I tighten the front, and then I put this clamp on at the end. Make sure it's nice and tight, and that's it. And a really nice thing about these delete pipes on the 6.7s is that you basically have a 4-inch straight pipe at the end of it, because all they have is that little resonator at the back there. So as you can see, there's no flow restriction at all on these, and they sound really good. So let's go fire it up and see what it sounds like. tune these 6-7 Powerstrokes, one thing you need to make sure of is that you unplug the EGR, this one plug here on the top of the EGR cooler on the passenger side. It's an orange plug, and then there's one other orange plug here that you do. I have the plug just kind of out of the way there, but the actual switch or connector there itself is right there, right kind of against the fan shroud on the front of the driver's side, and that's your butterfly valve there. So make sure you unplug those when you're doing a DPF delete and tuning it. So that's my video on how to install Flo-Pro delete pipes on a 6-7 Powerstroke. I should also mention that I used XRT H&S tuner. I put a 50 horsepower toe tune on it. I like to keep the tunes relatively low just because I don't want to run into guys blowing trannies or their head gaskets or anything. So anyways, if you found this video useful or you enjoyed it, please like it. Also feel free to subscribe. I will be doing more how-to videos with other diesel trucks in the future here. But anyways, thanks for watching.